What if your affiliate commissions were just one step away? Stop settling for 2% ASON payouts. You deserve better. Your coffee habit demands it. How to do it? Start with networks, Impact, ShareASale, and especially CPA networks like Cash Network. Why? Because you get paid for leads, not just sales. Yes, you can finally stop begging your friends to buy stuff. Direct programs. Google a brand name plus affiliate program, and if you love it, promote it. Check commissions. Look for high payouts and long cookie durations. With Cash Network, you gain commissions instantly for actions. No more waiting for someone to buy a $2 toothbrush somewhere, right? Here's an application tip for getting accepted by an affiliate network. Have a simple website or a YouTube channel. If you get rejected, email the affiliate manager. After all, they're probably human. Probably. Negotiate. Once you start sending leads, ask for a pay bump. Cash Network managers are known for hooking up their top affiliates. Stat: 67% of brands use influencers or affiliate campaigns. CPA networks are exploding because they make it easy for both sides to win.